Hey, so here's how I'm gonna show you how you can delete all posts, photos and reels on your Instagram at once. So for that, first you have to open up your Instagram and go to your profile. As you can see, there have a lot of photos, videos and reels on my profile. So now to delete everything at once, we just have to go to the hamburger menu in the top right corner and then go to your activity section. Now from here, you just have to head over post and here you will find all of your posts. So now to select that, hit on select. After select all of this post from here, after selecting them, tap delete. But if you don't want to permanently remove them, you can also choose archive instead, because archived posts can be restored and shown again on your profile later. So in my case, I will choose delete and confirm it. Once done, all selected posts will be removed from your profile. If any post is still left, just select it again and delete it. So now if you can find that your reels are still showing, go back to your activity and open the reels section. So here you have to select your reels the same way, but here you will notice there have no archive option for reels, so you will need to delete them directly. So select all and confirm the deletion. And after that, you can check there have no post yet. And that's it. This is how you can easily delete all of your Instagram posts, photos, videos and reels at once. I hope this guide helped you a lot. Make a like and subscribe for more Instagram tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.